Komplete S61. Nothing wrong with it. Works great with my native instruments and other plugins. Very intuitive board. Now I'm upgrading to the Complete Kontrol MK3, and I'm opening it up for the first time. Now, I think I got it right. I might be upside down. Let's see. Make sure they ain't saying this side up, so open this thing up. There we go. Keys. I've been needing some. I don't have an 88 key keyboard at the house that I like to play on regular. And I have tons of these DSTs. So it just made sense to get this. So let's come on in. Man, this thing is beautiful. Keys feel pretty nice. I am ready to load this bad boy up for my new desk that I've gotten, the Commander V2 from Studio Desk. This bad boy has everything. I'll talk about that in a later video, but I love Studio One PreSonus mixers, so it was the only desk that I found that really gave me the setup I wanted for my mixer. Now that I'm going to be doing more mixing, I wanted to use my, for controls. Back to the board, it has this wonderful pull out for the 88 keys to go down. I'm about 6'1", so it's perfect. I don't hit my knees up underneath at all. When I'm sitting down, I could play, I could do work. Right about there. Let's go ahead and connect it up at the bottom. Run my cords through the hole. I love the fact that it has a USB-C plug, which is great because everything is going USB-C now. So it has a USB-C plug in the back. Also has MIDI in and MIDI out. A few boards that I looked at, I was going to get instead of going to this, didn't have the MIDI in and MIDI out. It just had a USB, but it didn't have the USB-C. So looks like here, looks like my sustain pedal. Yeah. Came through. And right here are your different inputs: sustain, expression, which I actually have an expression pedal for when I play organ on my Nord. I have a pedal for that. But I also wanted to have the USB-C and the MIDI in and MIDI out, so I can set up my other boards and MIDI them all to this, which is going to be great. I'm looking forward to doing that. And that's it right there. So I'm gonna put this bad boy right back in place. This desk locks in, so I love that. Just trying to make sure I can access everything I need to be able to access. I don't have to move it. I love the fact that this desk locks in, so I can't reach it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. actually, let me pull up my desktop first. And pull up the Complete Control software. All right, she's turning on. I gotta register this bad boy. And it's gonna have to do some updates, so I'll get back with you once I have the updates done on it and I'm ready to kind of test it out. Thanks.